Have you ever looked at someone's skin and thought, how do they have that flawless glass-like glow? Meanwhile, you're over here dealing with breakouts, dullness, or signs of premature aging despite using all the expensive skincare products? Well, here's the truth. The beauty industry has conditioned us to believe that great skin comes from the outside in, and that if we just find the right serum, moisturizer, or exfoliant, that our skin will magically transform and stay that way forever. But as a toxicologist, I'm here to tell you what you put in your body matters just as much, if not more, than what you put on your skin. Your skin is a direct reflection of your internal health. Toxins, chronic inflammation, nutrient deficiencies, and poor diet don't just disappear. They will show up on your face in the form of acne, dryness, redness, wrinkles, or fine lines way earlier than they should. And here's the good news. When you nourish your body with the right foods, you can literally build better skin from within. And today, I'm going to break down the top 5 scientifically backed foods that can boost collagen, reduce wrinkles, and give you that natural, lit from within glow. And make sure you watch until the end because I'll be sharing a powerful antioxidant drink that's been clinically shown to reduce wrinkles, support your body's detox pathways, so that you can get rid of harmful toxins before they start showing up on your skin. So let's jump right in. The first food for glowing skin is avocados. If you want soft, supple, and radiant skin, avocados are a must-have in your diet. These creamy green fruits are packed with healthy fats and antioxidants that work from the inside out to keep your skin glowing. But did you know that science is now backing up what beauty experts have been saying for years? Research shows that avocados don't just hydrate your skin, they actually help to shield it from the visible effects of aging and environmental damage. Here's why your skin benefits from avocados. Number 1, they help to lock in moisture and prevent dryness. Because they are rich in monounsaturated fats, which help to strengthen your skin's lipid barrier, thereby preventing water loss, this keeps your skin hydrated and plump, which is absolutely key to having that youthful and dewy look. Avocados fight wrinkles and sagging. They are loaded with vitamin E, which is a potent antioxidant that helps combat oxidative stress. Keep this in mind because this is a key driver of premature aging, fine lines, and collagen breakdown. But that's not just it. Avocados also contain carotenoids like lutein and zeaxanthin, which research suggests that can actually protect your skin from UV damage and visible radiation exposure. This means they can act as an internal sunscreen, reducing inflammation and reducing the effects of photoaging. Avocados boost elasticity and prevent flakiness. Since they contain biotin, which is a B vitamin, it's essential for maintaining that smooth, elastic skin. But what's really exciting is that studies show that higher dietary fat is linked with improved skin elasticity, meaning those who consume good fats, like those in avocados, tend to have more firm and more bouncy skin over time. Avocados calm redness and acne. You can have chronic inflammation from processed foods and stress. These directly contribute to breakouts, redness, and irritated skin. Avocados contain natural anti-inflammatory compounds like polyphenols and omega fatty acids, which have been shown to calm inflamed skin from within. Plus, the carotenoids we mentioned also help to reduce oxidative stress. Again, oxidative stress, premature aging, and it's just wreaking havoc on your skin. Avocados also help to protect against UV damage. Again, like we mentioned, the bioavailable lutein and zeaxanthin can help to prevent sun damage. But remember, I would still use a sunscreen even if I'm eating a lot of avocados. Some people tend to avoid avocados because of the fat content, but in reality, your skin needs these healthy fats to stay hydrated, youthful, and resilient. In fact, study on Japanese women found that higher dietary fat intake was linked to fewer wrinkles and improved skin quality. So depriving your body of good fats can lead to dryness, dullness, and even accelerated aging. I love to incorporate avocados into my daily meals, either by adding them to a smoothie, which makes them really creamy and delicious, or mashing them on a piece of toast, sprinkling some sea salt, maybe a squirt of lemon for a nice avocado toast, or you can blend them up with olive oil, garlic, apple cider vinegar, salt and pepper, season it up how you like, and it is an amazing salad dressing. Or you can just enjoy them the way I did as a kid, which was mashed with avocado and sugar. It's best served cold. It tastes like a delicious mousse dessert, and I loved it. But no matter how you eat them, avocados are one of the most powerful foods to add to your diet for glowing glass-like skin. The number 2 food for glowing skin is salmon, which is packed with omega-3 fatty acids. These are absolutely key for maintaining skin hydration, elasticity, and overall health. But when it comes to choosing salmon, make sure you can get the best quality salmon that you can find. Omega-3 fatty acids help to strengthen your skin barrier, preventing moisture loss. And again, that moisture loss is what keeps our skin aging more quickly. So if you can prevent that and slow it down, it will actually slow down the signs of aging. Salmon contains astaxanthin, which is a potent antioxidant. Again, antioxidants protect our skin cells from UV damage, reduce wrinkles, fights oxidative stress, and keeps our skin looking younger longer. Omega-3s in salmon also play an absolutely key role in maintaining collagen structure, helping to prevent the sagging and premature aging that we're avoiding. Dietary supplementation with EPA, a type of omega fatty acid, has been shown to alter the ceramide profile of the skin, which contributes to its anti-inflammatory properties and collagen support. Ceramides are a type of fat that is normally found in our skin. So eating foods that boost our body's production of ceramides is the best way to rejuvenate our skin and keep it healthy. Something to keep in mind is that farm salmon is often contaminated with toxins like polychlorinated biphenyls or PCBs, heavy metals, and even antibiotics. These contaminants are toxins that contribute to inflammation and oxidative stress, which not only affect our overall health, but also our skin health. With that said, wild caught salmon is the gold standard, but if it's pricey or difficult to source, look for sustainably raised alternatives like responsibly farmed salmon, which is certified by the Aquaculture Stewardship Council or ASC, or the Best Aquaculture Practices BAP, and you can see that on the front of the package. If you don't eat fish or want additional sources of clean omega-3s, you can still get the skin nourishing benefits from smaller fish that have lower mercury, such as sardines and anchovies. I personally look for these types of fish packaged in glass and olive oil, since can linings can leach endocrine disruptors like BPA. Chia seeds, flax seeds, hemp seeds, and walnuts also provide plant-based sources of omega-3s that your body can convert to EPA and DHA. And there are also algae-based omega-3 supplements, which are a more direct source of EPA and DHA. The number 3 food for glowing skin is carrots. Carrots are one of the most underrated foods for glowing skin. These vibrant root vegetables, they are loaded with beta carotene, which is a powerful antioxidant that your body converts into vitamin A, which is essential for skin renewal and repair. So it's basically eating your retinol. Carrots can help to boost cell turnover and brighten the skin because of their beta carotene, and this helps to maintain an even skin tone. Carrots contain antioxidants that can help with oxidative stress, which is, like we have been saying, one of the key drivers of premature aging. Vitamin A in carrots can also help to regulate oil production on your skin, which is great for people like me who have oily skin, and it can also have anti-inflammatory properties, which help to calm skin irritation. You can get carrots into your diet in a bunch of different ways, like drinking carrot juice, adding them to your salads or stir fries. I personally like using a vegetable peeler to create ribbons or large noodle shapes out of carrots, tossing them in something as simple as sesame oil, soy sauce, and a little rice vinegar. It's a 10 out of 10. The number 4 food for glowing skin is berries. Your daily bowl of berries could literally help turn back the clock on aging. Berries are some of the most powerful anti-aging foods you can eat thanks to their high antioxidant content. There's that word again, right? Remember, antioxidant helps to combat oxidative stress, which is premature aging. Did you know that berries can actually boost your body's master antioxidant? Strawberries in particular are special because they have been shown to increase glutathione in the body, which is the most important antioxidant that we have. Glutathione helps to neutralize free radicals, fight dullness, and slow down visible signs of aging. In a 12-week randomized controlled trial, obese adults were given a drink made of high or low dose freeze-dried strawberry powder in water or a control drink. They were asked to drink 1 serving of their designated drink morning and night with no changes in their diet. That's important. After the 12 weeks, they saw a significant dose-dependent increase in glutathione levels in the groups with the strawberry drink. So the more strawberry drink they had, the more glutathione they saw. So this and other studies show that strawberries contain polyphenols that stimulate the production of glutathione in humans, which is really important. Fun fact, I got my PhD studying glutathione. Berries are rich in anthocyanins, which are plant antioxidants, again, fighting free radicals, preventing collagen breakdown, keeping your skin firm, plump, and elastic for longer. The anti-inflammatory properties of berries help to calm redness, even out our skin tone, can reduce acne flare-ups, so they are a perfect skin clearing, skin boosting food. For an ultimate skin boosting combo, try blending berries into a smoothie with matcha paired with avocado toast for an amazing breakfast or lunch. This way, you are getting powerful antioxidants, healthy fats, and polyphenols all working together to hydrate, protect, and restore your skin from the inside out. The number 5 food for glowing skin is matcha. This is the ultimate glow drink that I was talking about. Matcha isn't just a trendy drink, it's a supercharged version of green tea that's packed with antioxidants that help to slow down the signs of aging. Unlike regular green tea, matcha is actually made from the whole leaf that's ground into a powder, meaning you get the full dose, most concentrated dose of polyphenols and chlorophyll from the tea leaves, which work together to protect your skin. Did you know that matcha can actually protect against UV damage and premature aging? Green tea polyphenols have been scientifically shown to defend the skin from UV radiation, preventing sun damage, fine lines, and pigmentation much more effective. And they can also help to reduce inflammation to keep your skin more clear. Studies also show that matcha supports the body's natural antioxidant systems. EGCG, the main polyphenol in matcha, has been shown to inhibit tumor invasion, angiogenesis, and also tumor growth and metastasis. So it has a lot of interesting potential for skin cancer therapy. Green tea supplementation was also shown to increase glutathione and plasma antioxidant capacity in adults with metabolic syndrome. Glutathione, like we mentioned, has anti-aging and anti-melanogenic effects. Research suggests that antioxidants in matcha can support collagen integrity and production, which help to maintain the skin's firmness and elasticity. I'll go ahead and link to my favorite matcha in the description. It's important to note that not all matcha is created equal. In fact, many conventional matcha powders are grown with pesticides and contain heavy metals from soil contamination, or can be diluted with fillers, artificial colors, and loaded with sugar. Not to mention, it's really important to be careful with matcha since we're consuming the whole leaf, especially if you are drinking it daily or more than once a day. So to get the full benefits, choose an organic, ceremonial grade matcha from a reputable source that actually tests for contaminants like heavy metals. And remember that the vibrant green color should come from natural chlorophyll content, not synthetic dyes. So here's a quick story. I once bought a gigantic bag of matcha that was 2 pounds. That was actually red flag number 1 because it usually isn't sold in such large quantities, but I was a total newbie and I had no idea. When I opened the bag, I was shocked because it didn't look vibrant green like the way it did on the outside of the package. In fact, it was a muddy kind of brown color, which was disgusting. I started swapping out my morning coffee for a matcha, which has been giving me much more sustainable energy without the crashes. But something to keep in mind is that I don't drink it with cow's milk because casein, which is a cow's milk protein, can actually block the absorption and reduce the bioavailability of EGCG, which is the main antioxidant that we're getting from green tea. In fact, my friend from Japan mentioned that traditionally matcha is consumed with just plain water without any sugar or milk. So that's my go-to. While skincare is important, it only plays about half the equation, if that, because long-lasting transformation happens when you nourish your body with the right foods so you can build healthy cells from within. So by making smarter choices about what you eat, you can boost collagen, smooth lines, and achieve naturally radiant skin without relying on expensive products or harsh cosmetic treatments that can increase your toxic load. Now you know about 5 skin-loving powerhouse foods that are backed by science and designed to protect, hydrate, and rejuvenate your skin from the inside out. If you're looking for science-backed skincare ingredients that can help your skin glow from the outside without a dose of toxins, then check out this video right here. If you found value in this video, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of the videos that I'm posting every single week with evidence-based strategies to help you lower your toxic burden and make safer choices for your home and your entire family. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.